Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Deputy Commissioner jang ke East Khasi District hakan riutrik penal ber arjar kat kendai kala pentian Smai ya ki arp kendai ngot ki MDC badang shu job ya ke election sya ka ying dor bar thawan jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kabla long ha ka arp nyau terik jong penai rempang mentau senam.
As by established and that I feel with the shared duty on which
I, Gabriel Wallam, have been elected as a member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council. This way, in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, having been elected as member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Pynbam, have been elected as a member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Pynbam, I will be a member of the I will bear true faith in the Constitution of India as by law established, and I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Back up.